What's up, guys? You have landed on the 7th installment of this video series. And you've landed on a video series where I show you how I took a $25 product and turned it into over 20 grand. Okay? As you can see here, $21,727 with this $25 product. I just got paid. Now my pending is moving over to my payable right here. And you get paid every Thursday. So I got paid yesterday. Okay, so I show you exactly how to do this. If you're new, you won't know what's going on. That's why you've landed on this 7th installment over here. Okay. Now you need to go back to the first video and you can go day by day, or you can binge watch this, whatever floats your boat. And basically, it's affiliate marketing, and I go out and I find products that I'm successful with. I come back on my YouTube channel and I show you guys exactly how to do it, okay? For free, okay? I make my money off the affiliate tools you're going to need, not the course. I don't sell a course. So some people sell the course, then you still have to buy the tools to work the business, okay? You can't weed eat a lawn without a weed eater. Or mow a lawn without a lawnmower. You're going to have an initial investment in any business. If you see make money online, zero cost, there's a cost. I promise. Okay? So, you've landed on the 7th installment, so I suggest you go back to the first video. Okay, guys? Now, for the people that have been following along, we're going over the accounts you're going to need, the Google accounts you're going to need for your free organic traffic, because we're approaching getting into free organic traffic, okay, guys? So, accounts and the apps you're going to need. I'm going to pull my phone up here in a second and show you exactly what to do, but beforehand, you need to do something first, okay? You need to go to Google Sheets, okay? And we're going to do this. I'm not going to click on this because it has all my emails and my passwords on it, but you're going to go to blank, okay? And then up here where it says untitled spreadsheets, just name this emails, okay? Emails and usernames. You can call it whatever you want. That's just simple, okay? And then right here you can put email. You can put Google email. And then right here you can put Google Pass, okay? We'll move this over a little bit. Okay. So what you're going to want to do now is, let me pull up my phone. You're going to want to get 5 Google emails, okay? And if you got a personal email you use, we're saving that for YouTube, because you're going to want to keep that on YouTube. YouTube's the main thing. These accounts that we're creating are for the different social media platforms we're going to be using, okay? So we're going to use these 5 Google emails to create 5 different accounts on each of these different social media platforms, okay? And some of them will be duds, your account, so don't grow too attached to them, okay? We're split testing 5 at once. Whichever ones take off, you're going to double down on, okay? That's what brought me to gaining over, I think it was 124,000 followers on Instagram in like 5 months, okay? So, and I had 5 accounts at that time. And some of them did horrible, some of them did really well. And the one that did really well, I doubled down all my content on, and it grew exponentially. But with that being said, I still use some of the other accounts as backups, just in case, because you never know with social media. You know how it goes. The terms and services change and conditions, and they'll ban you for a cat. At one point, TikTok, I think they're still doing it a little bit now. We've had to switch up our methods, because, you know, if you're not shaking your ass or it's cat videos, then they sometimes are a little quirky and squirrely when it comes to allowing you to post videos. But with that being said, I'll show you exactly how to do it in the correct way. Okay, so we're going to need 5 accounts. Let me hop into Samsung Flow right here. Okay. Let me pull this back up and move this over here. Okay, this is my phone right here. And what we're going to be doing, I hope you guys can see that. What we're going to be doing is go to Google. See how I got all these different accounts right here? I usually just do my letter of my first name, my last name, and SOC, S-O-C, just to make it easy, okay? Then you can put your name, that, and then 001, 002, 003, or start off with 01 or 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Create you 5 Google accounts, okay? And how you do that is you just go to add another account or add account, okay? Set up email, Google. Let me type in my pen. I thought it was going to show on there. I know some of y'all are sneaky. Or somebody out there sneaky. And you just create you a Google account, okay? Hit create account right there for personal use. Now they'll ask for your phone number. You can skip that. I would skip that because if you start using your phone number, I think there's a limit. You can only use 5 per phone number. So just type in your first and last name and go through the works, okay? So I put Donovan Spear, which is optional. You don't have to put that. October 15th, 1992, gender, male. And then create your own. And then you can create your own. You could put, like I said, I would put D Spear Soch 01. Okay. And then create a password. I already have that email, so create you 5 of those guys. And what you're going to want to do after you create 5 of them, after you create 5 of those, you're going to go over here in your spreadsheet, guys, and hit DSpear, put your email in there, and then put your password, okay? I'm not going to put my real password. DSpear Soch and your password, and you're going to do that. Here's the easy way to do it. Double click it, Control C, Control V, click that, or you can do it after here after you click it. Okay, and then just change these to 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Once you do that, you're ready to roll. Okay, and we're gonna use your personal one with the YouTube channel. That's what I do. I use my personal one because that's the main thing. YouTube is so powerful. It's number 2, second dose search engine in the world. Okay, it's very powerful when it comes to marketing whatever you want. Okay, in this case, we're marketing products that have affiliate programs. So, but you can market anything if you're in the. It's incredible. So after you get your emails, okay, here's what apps you're going to need to download. Let me get my phone back out. And we're going to be creating 5 accounts on each one of these apps I'm about to show you. On each of them, okay? So let me bring that bad boy back out. Where is it at? Right here, okay? We're going to go to social. Now, you're going to want to get YouTube, okay? You're going to want to get YouTube, I can't click that. You're going to want to get YouTube and YouTube Studio. Okay, that's where you can edit and look at your analytics and all that. Okay, so you're going to want to get both YouTube and YouTube Studio. Okay, then you're going to want to get Facebook. Then you're going to want to get Instagram, TikTok, and this right here. This is a video editor, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. We're going to be going over in a later video how you can edit short form videos. I get done in like 30 minutes max. Sometimes 15, mostly 15, 20 because I've been doing it, so I understand where the buttons are, what to click, and I'm going to show you exactly. It'll take a little bit to get used to, okay, guys? But you're going to get used to it like anything else in life, okay? No one was born knowing how to roof or being an accountant. They have to learn those skills, okay? Just like anything. So we're going to need these guys. Of course, Facebook Messenger. We're gonna get these together, okay? So you're going to need all these. And we're going to create 5. We're going to create 5 YouTube accounts, 5 Facebooks, 5 TikToks, 5 Instagrams. And what you're going to want to do is, underneath this video, there's going to be a checklist. First 10K online cheat sheet checklist resources. Okay, I got it named down there. You're going to want to go to account spreadsheet. And this is how you're going to keep up with everything, okay? Just like on the Google emails, you're going to put your 5 TikTok accounts, okay? Then you put Instagram down here, then 5 Instagram accounts. And with your emails, your Google emails you used, okay? And then we're just going to keep track of each of the followers on each of those accounts, okay? So we know which ones are taken off and which ones aren't, because some of your accounts will get banned, okay? I remember at one point last year, you could upload a video of a cat and they'd take it down, okay? So it's just iffy. The algorithm's iffy. They've been a little bit better, but that's why we're doing this, okay? If you're wondering why I have 5 accounts, okay? You split test them, just like in Facebook ads. You'll do 5 ads, okay? And spend $5 a day. This is just to get it off the ground, okay? And then see which one of those 5 are doing the best. Maybe a couple are doing really well. So you trim the 3, and then all $5 goes to those 2 videos, okay? And you split test. Then you pick the winner out of those 2. And then you put all $5 toward that winning ad, okay? It's called split testing. And that's what we're going to do on these email accounts, TikTok accounts, and so all the social media accounts, okay? So get those together, guys, and then tomorrow we're going to download each of those apps, okay? And then make your first YouTube short, Instagram short, Facebook reel, and TikTok, okay, guys? We're going to get you going. Free organic traffic is so powerful, okay? It's free advertisement for your business. So with that being said, you should be, if you can afford it, you should have your traffic authority account set up and put your link in, you're driving traffic to it, okay? You're sending out emails through MLGS each day. You get 1 email every 24 hours. Okay, I showed you how to do that on the last one. And now we're going to get into free organic traffic. And with this combination, is very powerful. Okay, you can generate income very quickly through leveraging social media. I can go ahead and let you know. But with that being said, you go set those up, guys. And then tomorrow's video, we're going to be going over getting your first video out, guys. Okay, so with that being said, y'all have a blessed morning. It's 5 o'clock. I'm about to go get some more coffee. And I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification.